Hey yo, what's up guys? How you all doing? And welcome to my unboxing video. The reason why I have it this way is because I don't want to show you my address. So I'm covering it up. I don't want any stalkers. Not that I wouldn't mind anyway. Anyway, let's get to it. I've ordered a lot of things from online, right? Mostly eBay. So this is the one that came in today, right? I have no idea what it is, but I'm thinking I know what it is because it's in a box, and I'll tell you that why. I don't know. Maybe it's I don't know actually. I really don't know what it is. It could be. I mean, everything I've ordered are all boxed or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's begin. I've been ordering a lot of stuff and things from eBay lately. I don't know why. I've just gone on like an extreme shopping spree rampage. Right. And it's oh wow, okay. There's a Hugo Boss. I don't know if you can see the cellophane anyways on this, but look, can you see that? Red Fever follows fall tours whatever. It's a Hugo Boss basically, right? It's I'm gonna just open this cellophane plastic cover. Alright, hopefully you can see it now. And there you go, look, see it's Hugo Boss, right? It's one of those string bags, it's like a gym bag, right? And this is, what is this? Hugo Boss 20 years apparently, that's what it says there. Alright, 20 years guys. It's a limited edition. I know this because I read the description before I ordered this. And I got it for, believe it or not, £6.50. It's a bargain. I was bidding for it anyway, so yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna hang on. Oh, that's nice. Look, it's metallic. Metallic. It's magnetic. Look. So you just and there you go. See, it comes in a gift box. You can't slide it out. You literally have to open from there, and then voila, there you go. It's yeah, comes in a gift box. And there you go, look. That's pretty cool. That's for something so cheap, and it's Hugo Boss as well, right? I'm not a designer freak or anything, right? But when I see a bargain, of course I'm gonna get it. It's anyone's gonna get it, especially with a well-known brand, like look, Hugo Boss. So yeah, it's very wow. It's got a very fresh new smell, of course. So this is definitely new. I mean, of course you can tell because it was in a plastic cover like this. So right. But yeah, look, check this out, man. It's good. It's not that big, but it's suitable for me when I go to gym. I mean, or anywhere. Like when I go to do sports activity, boxing or gym or dance classes or whatever. I just need my bare essentials, which will be water, maybe a towel, antiperspirant, and that's it. And probably keep my phone in there, but obviously I carry it with me because whenever I go to gym, I never use a locker, so I just carry this bag with me at all times. But it's really cool. Look, it's really nice. It's black, as you can see, and it feels good. It's very, very good quality. I mean, come on, look, guys, it's Hugo Boss, right? Right. I don't mean to brag about it, but for £6.50, I think I got myself a real bargain. I've seen some bags like this, and they were like what, like £9.99, £10.99, and they were just normal bags, just plain bags. And I thought, okay, I need one. But then this actually popped up as I was scrolling down. I thought, let me scroll down and look for more. I might find something cheaper or better. I don't know. And thank God I did. And as I scrolled down, it was bidding, because I was actually planning to buy it now, but then this one had 19 hours left to bid. So I thought, you know what, I can wait another day or so, like the next day. And I put a bid, my maximum bid. It was £6.50. I thought, okay, if I need to bid more, then I'll bid more, of course. And it's, by the way, it's free postage as well. So yeah, I didn't have to pay for anything, for any delivery. It's just paid for this, and that's what I got. And I'm happy with this. So there you go, guys. Look, you got the strings. You got your whatever. Anyway, guys, check out my links down below in the description box, which is down there. And also be sure to like, comment, and feel free to share this video, and also subscribe. And also be sure to check out my other video contents. Until next time, guys, peace.